The Butler County Cares Initiative was conceived by the county commissioners and funded by them with some federal funding that they received. There are 5 partners involved with it: the Butler County Visitors Bureau, the Butler County General Health District, and we're handling education for businesses about COVID-19 and how to safely open. The Butler County EMA has been involved in procuring and distributing hand sanitizing stations that will be made available to businesses and events where there will be large gatherings, and also they'll be made available to areas where we have vulnerable populations who have experienced an excess number of COVID cases. We want to reach out to those areas that are being hardest hit. The Butler County Chambers of Commerce, all 5 of them, are involved in this project, working with businesses to assist in providing education. And the main goal of the project is to be a pro-business, pro-health approach to instilling trust in the public that they can go back safely to businesses that are putting the steps in place to provide healthy and safe environments where the public can go with full confidence that everything is being done to protect their health, so that they can feel comfortable being back in the community again. If you're a business and you need advice as to how to open safely and follow all of the recommendations, the way that you can do that is by contacting the Butler County General Health District. Part of the BC Cares project is to fund 2 positions for us here. It's called a COVID specialist position. And the role of these people is to go out in the community and educate businesses. This is not about enforcement or about penalties. It's all about education and promoting health. A healthy workforce is good for the economy. We want businesses to be able to stay open by being able to have knowledge of all the things that they can do to protect their workforce and protect the public. So reaching out to the Butler County General Health District to request a visit by a COVID education specialist is the way to have someone come to your business and talk about those things with you. There's been a lot of attention put on this. The biggest and most important thing is to wear a mask. That decreases the spread of COVID-19 significantly. Research is bearing that up, and we are finding that the most appropriate mask is a regular cloth mask. I don't have mine on now because I'm standing a great distance away from the camera person, but that's the most important thing to do. And then, as you know, the other 2 things are to practice social distancing and stay at least 6 feet away from other people. Being outside is a really good thing to do. The disease spreads less when there's air and wind that can move droplets away. Being inside, it has a greater opportunity to spread. And then the third thing is to keep your hands clean. This disease is spread through droplets in the air, and those droplets can fall on surfaces such as tables or telephones or computers. So if you touch those surfaces and get the germs from the disease on your hands and then touch your face, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, any of those mucous membranes, you can introduce the disease to yourself accidentally that way. So wiping down high-touch surfaces and keeping your hands clean is also important. So to break that down, 3 things: wear a mask, stay 6 feet or more away from people, and keep your hands clean. And do all of this outside is the best. For the latest information on COVID-19, you can visit the Butler County General Health District's website or the Ohio Department of Health's website. For more information about the Butler County Cares program, you can also visit the Butler County Visitors Bureau. They have lots of information there. And we hope you'll join us in promoting this initiative. We'd really like to see this Butler County Cares program spread widely throughout the county and get as many partners as we can to join in. You're going to see a lot of information about this going forward. It's exciting, it's new, and it's all about coming together and caring as a community about each other to decrease the spread of COVID-19.